Hello everybody and fellow creatures. Today we are at East Lane, Bordsey, here in Suffolk to see what photo opportunities are on offer. Here in the car park you will discover remnants of Second World War defences. Also you will find that there are a few Motello towers here built between 1808 and 1812. They were built to guard against Napoleon. Throughout this video I'll show you a few photos I've taken in the past. I'm not a proper landscape photographer because I can't get up early enough to catch the best light. To my right you'll see one of the Motello towers. On my left, you can walk to Shingle Street, where you will come across more along the way. There are many birds to be seen attracted by 3 lagoons amongst the reeds. I'm going to follow this path which will lead me to the bay next to the tower. There's a pillbox in the sea. Don't laugh at this bad attempt. Rather than go down the awkward path to the bay, I'm going to walk along the cliff. Looking through the plants here, you can see people beachcombing on the shore. The place is great for fossil hunting. I think I may try for a picture here. Just a matter for the right cloud cover to obstruct my shadow. There. That will do. Here is a small murmuration taken in July 2024. If you like this video, please subscribe. Apologies for the AI voice, but mine is much worse.